In this video, I'll explain our drill down history, why it is a missing feature in Power BI, and how you can use it to improve orientation in your report. Reports today aren't static. They are interactive. But many people struggle with dynamic reports as they can be confusing. Visual feedback helps maintain an overview. Filters usually show what you've selected. Drill-throughs take you to a new page that should show you where you went. And drill downs? They filter your report, but by default it's difficult to see what you drilled down into. There is minimal visual feedback to trace your actions. Especially when you have combined several drill downs in several charts, it can be hard to track what is currently filtered. And this can become confusing if you are following a bookmark that points to a page with active drill downs. It is not immediately apparent where drill downs have been made. Wouldn't it be great to have a tool that clearly indicates what you've drilled down into? This is where drill down history comes into play. Here is an example with Innofalls. Now, when we are making a drill down, we can immediately see a difference. The data we drill down into is shown above our main chart. We can see where we drilled down into, and we can still compare the values of the previous level. The history can even track multiple successive drill downs, and it also offers undo and redo of our navigation steps. Furthermore, you can modify the drill down by selecting other elements, and you can select multiple elements as well. And bookmarks become easier to understand. We can immediately see which charts were drilled down into and which not. The visual feedback that drill down history provides is immensely useful when using drill downs in your report. The improved orientation lets your users keep track of what has happened. In addition to this, our drill down history is the basis for new comparison features. It lets you create delta waterfalls and deviation charts. If you want to learn more about this, have a look at this video. If you want to try this and haven't downloaded our visual yet, head over to Power BI and get it now. You'll find the link in the description. You want updates about videos like this in the future? Give us a thumbs up and hit the subscribe button.